Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is David and we're here to talk about TubeBuddy. Who knows what TubeBuddy is? Well, I've been using TubeBuddy for the last 4 years as I grew my YouTube channel. It's helped a ton. I couldn't be where I am without TubeBuddy. It's a great tool that helps you grow and monitor your YouTube channel. One of the features I use it for is just finding out keywords, and they're so helpful. In fact, if you want to download TubeBuddy, just go ahead and go to UTECHPIA.com/TubeBuddy. Get your TubeBuddy installed and get it working for you right now. I mean, look at all these people that have said great things about TubeBuddy. Look at this. Diana says the best tool made for creators to actually get results on YouTube. Look at Annie says a TubeBuddy license is the greatest investment she's ever made on her YouTube channel. I mean, all these people say TubeBuddy is so great. So what's so great about it? Well, for example, here's my channel, okay? I have about 18,000 subscribers. I have 2.59 million views in the lifetime of my channel. And you can see right here, these are how many views I get within the last 30 days. So stats like this, it's helpful. Now, what's more important is if I go to a different YouTube channel, for example, TubeBuddy's YouTube channel, guess what? It would automatically compare my stats with TubeBuddy's stats, right? Or whatever channel this is. So you can see right here, TubeBuddy's getting more views than my channel. So I know that I need to hustle more to get more views, right? That stuff is helpful. It works for subscribers too. Like in the last 30 days, you know, wow, TubeBuddy was getting subscribers. I was barely getting subscribers, but that's okay. We all grow at different rates, right? So that is one of the basic features of TubeBuddy. So we got the advanced keyword research tool right here. This tool I use a lot as well. It's very handy to help you find out the best keywords so that your video gets views. Because in the end of the day, all we want to do as creators is create videos that people want to watch, right? This tool will help you figure out what keywords are popular and what combination of keywords will be good for your video to get views. It has tools here that helps you create thumbnails. I love it. Sometimes I don't have time to go to Photoshop to create a thumbnail. I can use some of their widgets right here, create a thumbnail within just a few clicks, and ta-da, there you go. I got nice thumbnails ready to rock and roll. And of course, there's tons of ways to optimize your YouTube channel, but TubeBuddy gives you a system that gives you tips and tricks as they guide you through the best practices so that you can optimize your videos to show up in search and get the highest ranking that your video definitely deserves. So one of the things that a lot of YouTubers forget is that you have other social media platforms. Tell your fans from other platforms to go watch your videos. Well, TubeBuddy has a tool that will help you send out notifications so your fans from your other social medias know about the videos you just uploaded. Really, really cool tool. TubeBuddy helps you test, and test. Well, test, tweak, and click. What does that mean? Well, basically, our thumbnails are one of the most important things as a YouTuber. But how do you know if thumbnail A or thumbnail B is better? Well, you can try it and then you can get views and you can kind of track yourself, or you can let TubeBuddy handle the testing phase for you and it will let you know which thumbnail performs the best. So these are little tools that help you go a long way in creating your YouTube channel and really growing it faster. I mean, these testimonies from well-established YouTubers really speak for themselves. I mean, look at this. TubeBuddy's bulk processing has literally saved us hundreds of hours. The best tools made for creators to get actual results on YouTube. A TubeBuddy license is the greatest investment I've made towards the growth of my YouTube channel. I mean, look at this. I credit TubeBuddy for the success of my YouTube channel. No way! Crazy, right? Super helpful. Love it, guys. Amazing. YouTube has completely transformed the way I manage my personal YouTube channel and my client's YouTube channel. Guys, look at this. These testimonies are very powerful. They speak for themselves. So if you haven't gotten a chance to try TubeBuddy yet, go ahead, try it out. Go to UTECHPIA.com/TubeBuddy, give it a whirl, and let me know if you have any questions about TubeBuddy, because seriously, I've been using it for the last 4 years, and the results have definitely helped me grow my YouTube channel. I mean, TubeBuddy has seriously helped me out. I would not be where I am without the help of TubeBuddy. Another thing that TubeBuddy helps, and I'll just touch on this briefly, is the ability to create keywords right from my page. So here, let me go to my YouTube channel, right? Let me go into my content. For example, my last video right here. I'll just go to this one. And you can see down here, I have my description and everything. look at this right here. These are keywords for my video, right? Like I've already created some keywords, but if I didn't, TubeBuddy always helps me with a bunch of suggested keywords, and it's as easy as clicking on these and adding them to my keywords. It's super easy and allows me to get more keywords without really thinking, and it opens up the variety so that I have more chances to get hits from search on YouTube. And ultimately, guys, if you want to grow your YouTube channel, you need to optimize your search. If you have TubeBuddy, it's your #1 tool that helps you optimize your search. So go ahead and give TubeBuddy a try. I think you'll like it. If you don't, well, go ahead and uninstall it. Go ahead and get it free right now at utechpia.com/TubeBuddy. Yeah, well, that's all I have for today. If you guys like TubeBuddy, give it a try. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace. We out.